A project that's been near and dear to my heart is fooling around with the kettle grill. You can take it from a couple $100 barbecue and really elevate it if you have a little bit of DIY spirit. Have you seen the Poortex?
I've seen the Vortex.
This is the Poortex.
The Poortex or the Vortex is a kind of a common accoutrement to kettle barbecue. You go to the barbecue store to buy these things, and they're big bucks. Kevin got this stuff for under $5.
I went to my local thrift shop and picked up a bunt pan. Put your coals in this, so it's like a volcano, and the coals are in it, so your direct heat is coming up through the middle, and you cook on the indirect heat.
A really high temperature heat. It's really good for cooking chicken wings. So what do we need to do?
So when you take your Poortex, you put it down, and you've got it like this, and you've got chicken wings all over it and stuff. It's a real hassle to reload. Cut the middle out, we weld into there. Now you're feeding charcoal down through here. Then you can reload at will.
You could cook things above it too.
What do you think?
I'm in.
I think we should weld this before we cut it.
Okay, so we welded the metal ring to the rods of the grill. We cut out the middle of his grill so it's easier to load the charcoal for the next firing.
Ha-ha! Chicken wings, easy feed. Nice. Chicken wings and be
good to go.
500-ish, yep. Let's go inside down.
So you can put them in the middle?
Yeah, but I always put the fat end towards the fire.
Which end is the fat end?
That one. Who thinks that a barbecue chicken wing can rival a fried wing?
I don't.
I know you don't. But to be fair, to do a really good chicken wing, you have to deep fry twice. This is like a one-stop shop, man. Turn that around. If you need to remember it, think of fat part to the center.
How long do they take?
About 35 minutes.
We came back like a half hour later to the most perfectly cooked wings you could ever imagine. I couldn't believe they were barbecued.
Ha-ha! Check it. Now, would you think that was a barbecued wing?
No, they look crispy.
They look crispy.
The chicken wings were delish. They were as good as deep fried chicken wings, maybe even better.
They've got smoke, they've got crisp.
They're a lot crispier than I thought they would be.
Toast. You put them on there, and you don't have to do anything to them. Basically, you take wings off, refire it, give it 10 minutes, refire your wings, man. That's a wing machine now. It's all about that hole in the middle.
It'd be a lot healthier than deep fried, wouldn't it?
They're losing fat instead of gaining it, so unlike you.